Oh my gosh, another pin arrived, I think. And we're gonna open it. Cassandra. Yeah, I have those puppy soda. Sorry it took so long. Oh, it's green paper.
If I had to guess.
Bless you. Like, thanks. Thank you. You're welcome. And thank you too. Thank you. You're welcome.
Sewer gators. Then let's go. Look, this would be a lot easier if you let me loose.
Oh, great. It's triple wrapped.
Do you really think I'd do something like that, Steve?
No, wait. It's not triple wrapped.
Something more important than extraterrestrials.
Wow, this is so cool. Wait, am I on the opposite side? Yeah, you are. Ooh. You are on the opposite side. Ugh. Wow, it's so beautiful. Beautifully painted. Yep. Yeah. And about time I'm on the other side. Wow. Everything looks correct. Yep, I'm a blue-eyed and I'm a blue-eyed. And I got one eye. That's accurate.